this video I'll show you how to create a matter plan template and assign the template. So to copy an existing matter plan as a template, you can click under Clients and Matters, open up the matter that has the matter plan that you want to copy as a template, click on the matter plan tab, and you can click on Save as a Template. So I'm just going to give this a name. You can add a description if needed. Click Save. Now this template will be accessible under To Do, Settings, Plan Task Templates tab. You can see we have template 4 over here. Now to create a new template, let's go back to the previous screen. You can create a new Plan Task template from here. You can give the template a name. And then if I click on Plan Task 5, you can see there's no information here. I can start from scratch as needed. And then if we head back again to the previous screen, I'm going to open up template 3 that we created. And I'm going to click on Edit, where you can edit the name of the template if need be. And then to edit individual items within the template, you can click on the actual name of the item and that will open it up for you. So we have this milestone opened up, we have this task opened up, and we can edit as needed. And these icons here will let you know what type of template item there is in this line. So this is a task, this is a standalone milestone, and this green one's a billable milestone. And then this little document icon will show you the general details of that template task. And then you can delete any individual tasks if needed. You can delete even the entire template as a whole. You can add a new template phase by clicking on this button, and you can click on new template, plan, task or milestone from here and add to this existing template. Now to assign a template, simply go under Clients and Matters, click on the matter name and click on the matter plan. You can click on Create from Template, and you can see that our templates are listed here. I'm going to go ahead and click on template 3 for an example, click Save, and here we have our template has appeared as a matter plan under this matter.